Where did my love of sweets come from? I'd have to say definitely from my grandmother. She used to make these amazing rock cakes, and now called rock buns, thanks to Harry Potter. My mum was also very good at making sweets. I particularly used to love her lemon meringue pie and also her cheesecake. Oh, and lamingtons come to mind as well, some Australian favorites there. My love of sweets definitely carried on with my children, but I don't really recall making things like sweets so much when they were growing up. It was pretty much always store-bought. My kids love my cooking, but yeah, I don't really think that this sweet love affair in my kitchen really took over until I became vegan. In a lot of ways, I wish I had become vegan a lot earlier in my life, especially with my children when they were growing up, because I do think that I gave them bad habits, and I know that I had to get rid of my own bad habits because of my love of sweets. But buying things that had processed sugar in it obviously created quite an addiction and health issues later on in life. Now as a vegan, I can honestly say I still love to have sweets in the house, but I just don't buy anything. Like, everything is made by myself, and of course I then know what the ingredients are. So probably 1 to 2 times a week I make something that I can have as a dessert, which truthfully is how I was brought up, was to have dessert after dinner. I guess my own health journey was when I realized that sugar after a main meal wasn't so good for digestion. And now that I've changed my way of eating sweets, I basically just make sure that I don't eat sweets until at least 2 hours after I've had a main meal. And I don't have more than 1 serving, except maybe when I make something fresh that I've baked, because let's face it, baked goods are amazing. My knowledge of the digestive system has come, not from my childhood upbringing, but actually from the years that I've spent studying Ayurveda. And while I'm vegan, I believe that Ayurveda has really taken me to another level. One of the main things I learned was that we should have something from the 6 tastes of Ayurveda daily. And with that in mind, I find I enjoy my 1 sweet treat a day, and I don't crave it at any other times of the day now.